Hi there and welcome to this extra video for Fishing Planet Christmas 2020, and I'm just going to take a brief look at the Snow Holidays mission, which seems to be a side mission to the others. I'm progressing very slowly with the goby, the dunce crappie and the banded araku, as you can see, and this looks like it might be a bit of light relief, or at least when you get to the end of it, it might be. This one, unlike the other missions, I would suggest you could certainly do this one over the course of the 24 days that the mission runs for, the Christmas missions run. And what I will be doing is over that time, whenever I'm at these locations where you can pick up the snow, I will be doing so. As you can see, I've already been to Rocky because I'm on my Steam account, and it will be good fun really just to go around them all and to know where they all are. Anyway, I thought I would just go around them all now quickly. So let's start with, what have we got? We've got Emerald. No, not Emerald. Good job I checked. So Falcon, White Moose and Canik. I've already done Rocky. So let's go and see if we can do that. So it's saying Canik, although Canik doesn't have a hat on, so I'm just going to double check that one more time. Definitely says White Moose Lake, Canik and Falcon. So Falcon and Canik are not Christmas locations, neither is Rocky. So it's basically these four in a diamond shape. So I've done that one already, so let's just travel. Not going to bother buying a license to go and pick some snow up, obviously. And I have no idea, usually with festivals, Halloween and such like, they're around here, but let's start off there and see where we get to, so we can find the snow pile. Be interesting to see. There was also I think a present, a gift box at Rocky, I can't remember, but yeah, we're just looking for the snow pile really. Don't see it there at a glance. Let's try spawning over here. Might be over this little ridge. No, don't see it there either. We'll just check the ground in between. Not really sure that I actually want a snowman cat, but there you go. And they're generous enough to give you one token as well with this. My word. So it doesn't seem to be over there. Maybe it's in the gap in between, but we'll go just a little way this way. Can't see it yet. We could have, there's a new spawn point here. Okay, so that's where to go for the snow at this location, and you'd be better off spawning here, I think. So spawn there, turn around and you're on it. So that's that one. Rocky is very easy to find. As I'm sure you know, there are two locations at Rocky. As you're looking out towards the lake, there's one on the left and one on the right, and the snow pile is by the one on the left. So that's Falcon done. Let's have a look. I haven't been to White Moose since the start of this. Seems to be the logical place for all Christmas things to happen. And of course it's where the tree is that you'll decorate at the end, and other goodies, I think, usually. Yeah, so there's a present there. Oh yes, the snow pile was here last time. Last year. So really I should be tracking this, shouldn't I? Get my act together. Okay, so obviously once you've got the specific ones from the specific areas, let's just have a look. There will be a tree here which will not light up until you've put all your ornaments on it from memory, and there is a gift there as well. Now, thinking about it, there should be a stocking here, shouldn't there, as well? Let's not miss out on that. There would not have been a stocking at Falcon because it's not a Christmas location. Somebody's got their Santa gear on either from this year or last year. Cozy1666. Hello to you. Okay, so it's going to be one of the two fires. Let's see whether we can spot it. Is that it hanging up on the left-hand side? Okay, let's go and whiz over and have a look. Can't actually see it there. And I can't actually see it there either, so I've missed it somewhere, unless there is no stocking at White Moose, but I'll be very surprised. No. Well, either I'm being blind or... oh, maybe it's up here. Nope. It's not up there. You can't go up to either of those places. You'd expect it to be just sort of sitting on one of these benches or... Okay guys, well, please do let me know if I'm missing something here, but I cannot see a stocking at this location, which I think is a bit of a poor do, because it's hard enough if you're trying to collect tokens and things with there only being 6 Christmas locations. But I don't know where else to look here for a stocking. Okay, but we've got our snow anyway. So there's just one more location we've got to get to one specific lot from, and that's Cannock. So let's whiz over there. I wouldn't normally be doing this. I have a rule generally where if I travel anywhere, then I have to either be doing a competition and make up the money that way, or I have to fish to make up the cost of the travel and everything else. But just on this one occasion, I'm just going to have a look for the snow piles and grab the snow. I wonder if there's a stocking here. Let's find the snow first. It's quite bright and white, so I would think we would be able to spot it. No boats here, of course, so I'm going to have to walk it. I don't think any of the actual missions as such happen here. It's not got a little Santa's hat on the icon, so I'm not expecting to find a stocking here, but I would have thought there would be one at White Moose. No, I don't see the snow pile there. I don't see it there either. Let's just quickly have a look around at this location. Oh, that looks very much like a snow pile. So this should knock off the final individual specific one, and then obviously you've got to get another 20 more, but that I think is fair enough, because over the course of the time that this runs you could easily pick those up. Just make sure if you're visiting any of these locations, then Rocky Lake, Falcon Lake, White Moose Lake or Cannock Creek, that you make sure you pick up a pack of snow each day that you're at that location or in those locations, and you'll very soon, I think, have the snowman cap. So that was just a little exploratory video. Hope you enjoyed it, and catch you again soon.